What is up, everybody? I am really excited to bring you this video today. I'm getting back to my roots a little bit again here. We are going to do some small river fishing. It's another cold, windy day here in northeast South Dakota, but I'm getting out, got a few hours again just to get some fishing done before I got to get back home. So, well, I'll show you what I'm up against here. Look at that. Again, like I said, this is a place I used to fish a lot when I was younger. I've fished it quite a bit. It's a great spot for the spring. It's really only fishable in the spring. This pretty much dries out and gets down to almost nothing here once summer hits, about June, July. You really can't even fish this. There's nothing here, but maybe some carp. I guess maybe you could bow fish some carp here, but other than that, yeah, there's a little dam. They're letting the water out, so there's a lot of flow here. The water's super cold. It's only 40 degrees out right now. And if you look way over there, there's actually some ice on the water. So this water's got to be super cold yet. So we're going to be using some flashy lures. The water's very murky, so we're going to be running some spoons. We're going to be running some inline spinners. I got the chatterbait tied on. I do not expect to catch any bass out of here. I do not think there is any. However, I do expect to catch at least a northern. Very good chance to catch a walleye as well. If I do, I will keep the walleye. So, but all right, well, let's go get our gear all set up and let's get to fishing. We only got 2-3 hours to get it done. It's cold, but we're gonna do it. Check it out, guys. All right, quick rundown what I got. I got my chatterbait on, same as last week when I caught my bass. I've got an inline spinner on. The reason I'm running an inline spinner here is because northern pike have a very sensitive lateral line. So anything that vibrates, thumps, or makes a lot of noise is really going to attract a northern pike. I've always done really good with these inline spinners. I got a black with a little red in there. Very good colors for northern pike. I got also very classic northern pike lure, a good old red and white spoon. Got steel leader on this one, braid. This will be my workhorse. This will be my little bit more finesse-y guy. And I've never tried a chatterbait out here, but I've always caught pike on chatters, so I'm going to give it a try. A lot of current, so it's hard to say what's going to happen. All right, well, let's go get to some fishing. Well, I also brought the old net. It's actually my grandpa's old net. I don't know, I bring it along just in case, because I catch a big pike, I'm going to want it. It's not exactly the easiest to land a fish right where I'm fishing, so. Super dark, murky water. Should be interesting. All right, here it goes. First cast. I see there's dead carp right in front of me. Right in the water there. There's always lots of carp here. Whole crap ton of current, so it's hard to say what's gonna happen here. There's so much current you don't barely even have to reel it. I feel current just flopping the spoon around. It's probably a good thing because I got to do a super slow presentation. This water's super cold. And I see ice over there. This water can't be much above 30. All right, we're gonna switch up to a little bit more jig technique here. We got a VMC, I don't remember what it is, but basically a little hair jig, and a big old curly grub. It's called Crusher Grub. Lucky John. It's scented. It's Strong shrimp scent, color green pumpkin. There's a big old grub. Going for lots of motion. So hopefully maybe this will get a walleye or a big old northern to come bite this. Some heavy current, might be too much. Might be making a move here. Should probably have ice on them. Oh God, that felt like a fish too. I did come back after it. It was. Bridge, so there should be a lot of debris. There's a fish. Ah! Alright, let him get off. Yep. Sure enough, look at there. That's a carp scale. That's why I'm not landing and hooking these fish. Snagging into some carp. There's fish up here, obviously, but not the ones I want to catch. Alright, let's try over by the bridge. Maybe a little less current. Some dead pockets back over here. See if we got any ambushing fish over here. Downside to fishing right here is with all this current, I'm sure there's some tree branches and various other debris that are probably caught on this bridge, so chances of getting snagged and losing lures is pretty good right now, especially dragging this jig around. That's a fish. Oh, yep. Oh, I can't even move them. So much current, I can't even move them. That looks like I snagged a carp. Yep, snagged a carp. Need this guy. Oh, that's a big old carp too. Actually, I think he might even bit it. Come on, stay on there, guy. Let me land your big butt. Oh, yep, got him hooked right in the back. There we go. I'll take it. Snagged a carp. Actually, must have had him hooked pretty good. Oh yeah. It's the key to keeping the tension on there. That's what made the difference of keeping this fish on and not on. There you go, guys. I've not caught a carp for you yet, but there's a very good sized carp. Just get a weight on him. .7 pounds. 7.7 pounds. There we go. All right, well, a lot of people will just throw these on the bank. I really don't care because they're all gonna die soon and they'll make good food for the eagles and stuff. So there we go. Big old ugly thing. Huh? Well, that was fun. I don't care, that was fun. See if I can follow my ass, face. All right, relocated. Something a little less current, same river, just a different spot. Got a nice little bend here. So hopefully, I got something hanging out in this little bend here. We still got a fair amount of current, but definitely got some current breaks and some structure. Way less current though. Kind of hoping that helps me out here. The heavy current and water's so cold, they're probably still a little sluggish, so. All right, well, that didn't quite pan out the way I hoped it to. Just snagged that one carp. I did pretty much snag a few other carp, just never hooked them long enough to land them or get them up to shore, but that's about all I could seem to do here. A little disappointed, but it was kind of fun catching or snagging that one big carp. It was over 7 pounds. That was pretty awesome. Those are a lot of fun to catch. I guess maybe I should bring you guys a carp fishing video one of these days, maybe when it gets a little warmer. Again, they're a lot of fun to catch. Hard on the equipment, but fun to catch. Either way, I was glad to get out here, even if it was just for a little bit, even if it was just to snag a carp. Either way, it was fishing. I enjoyed myself. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Please like the video. Throw some comments down below if you'd like to see more of this or anything else you would like me to do. Please throw it in the comments and I will get out and do my best to do that. Do whatever it is you request. Alrighty. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.